Getting integration concept, we have learned application. In the application, initiated the problem with area either bounded with x-axis or it will be bounded with y-axis. Then we have move further. Area if the falls below the x-axis, you have to take a modulus and all. And then we talked about some more questions where the area was bounded with the two different questions. Now here it is known to you. What is this? It is nothing but x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Is nothing but a vertical ellipse. So I should draw a vertical ellipse. Here also I am not giving you the complete solution. I am just stopping and giving you the solution till integration. Now you know if this x enters here, this is nothing but 2 comma 0. This point over here it will be 0 comma 3. Ellipse we have drawn. Now x by 2 and here it is y by 3. Now there is a line which is passing. X intercept is 2. This is and y intercept. So it is x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. So question is asking now area bounded between this. Area bounded between this. This is the area. Is it the area bounded with x-axis, y-axis? We cannot say it is either it is x. Now this shaded area if you want to calculate, then under the ellipse more area is there and under the line more area is there. Ellipse. So ellipse means you will be getting the whole first quadrant minus line. This is the approach I should apply. Okay, ellipse minus. This is for our understanding. Now variation is from 0 to 2. So I should write 0 to 2. What is the equation of ellipse? Ellipse in term of y. It is nothing but 36 minus 9x square. Now minus line equation. You have to simplify this. It will be 3x plus 2y will be equal to 6. Now get the value of y. Y will be equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. Over here 6 minus 3x by 2 and now dx. I am just helping you one more step and integration step and then you will be calculating. Because it will have a common answer. It is 0 to 2. Fixed. This is 9 you have to take common. Do you remember now? It will be here as a 3. Now here it will be 4 will be there. 4 minus x square something like that also. So it will be nothing but x by 2. X into question. X by 2 into question. Plus sine inverse. X by 2. Close this curly bracket because this 3 is connected with this one. Now 1 by 2. Over here 6x minus 3x square by 2. Just take a long time. It's not like that quickly you should answer, simplify properly, put upper limit and calculate and see to that you will be getting finally 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6. Okay. Next. Whenever this kind of the expressions are coming, you can just always pause the video. Always pause the video till you get this answer. Don't see the answer. That is helping you to two things. Your calculation is also checking because integration I have already written. Now, sometimes the question may ask like that. So, what is the area of the triangle with vertices? And vertices may be given as 1, 0, 2, 2 and 3, 1. Find the area of this triangle with vertices. This is the question. I already drawn a triangle with the vertices. 1, 0 I have written here, 2, 2 is there and 3. So, these are nothing but the 3 points. Now, I should get a area concept properly. Area concept. For that, what is required? You should get the area of the line AB. Line AB. Now you may be asking how to get the area of the line AB. Line AB, y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the form which is known to you. Now here you replace 1, 0 and 2, 2. I am just waiting. You just replace, simplify and tell me what is the equation. In this, whenever such kind of the situations are there, now you just pause the video and write it. This is the line AB. Similarly, you will be getting all the 3 lines. So 2-point form to be used properly. 2-point form to be used properly. Likewise, you can get all ABC, AB line, BC line and AC line. Okay, that is your work. That is your work. Now, when you work out like this, you will be getting this. AB line will be check. Y will be equal to x minus 2. BC will be x plus 4. X plus y will be equal to 4 and CA will be 2y will be equal to x minus 1. Now how to get this area? This area is now it is little bit tricky. It was not straightforward to get the answer and like this also. So what I am doing, I am just shading for your understanding. This point is known to you. Always I should know the variation on the x-axis. This also, this is extra things which I am doing. You are not supposed to do in your notebook. You can write like this. Okay. Now suppose I want to get this area. You don't worry about what is I am doing. I am talking about this area A, B, C. Here it is there. I should call it as D, and this is the point E. Now first I am trying to get ABD area. ABD. How to get ABD area? From where to where I should integrate? 1 to 2. From 1 to 2. Under which line AB? What is the equation of AB? Y value of that. Y value of that. I got AB. I am adding plus. Area of BDE. B, D and E. Now if I am asking this, BDE means I will be making another type of shading. This is the shading. So now this area which I have shaded just now, it is lying below BC. So I will write plus. BC equation I know, Y value is nothing but 4 minus X. But the variation on the X axis is now from 2 to 3. Now from 2 to 3. What happens, do you know? We want to find out the area of the triangle and we have got more area. How much more area we have got? This is the more area. What is the name of the more area? AEC. So AEC to be taken out. How to now minus? AEC means this portion. I am now making with the help of pen so that remaining area will be triangle. Now this is bounded with AC. What is AC line? AC line is nothing but x minus 1 by 2. But variation is from where to where? It will be from 1 to 3. And now everyone is aware it is a simple integration. The first integration is 2x is nothing but x square minus 2x over here 2 1 plus it will be 4x minus x square by 2 over here 3 and 2 minus half outside. It will be x square by 2 minus x, upper limit 3, lower limit is 1. And as usual I will be not calculating this. Your task is to calculate this and just let me know this answer. That means you are going to pause the video and showing me the answer and confirming the answer at your end. See whether this is correct. Moving to the next question. This is the last assignment which we are doing with integration, and then I think most of the questions you will get. Most of the questions, provided you know the integration. Area of circle. This is a circle. This 9 by 4 means it will be 3 by 2, comma 0. Listen now carefully. Area of circle this, which is exterior of this parabola. As usual, this parabola is open upward. Exterior means this is portion is called as interior. Exterior portion means this. You want to get this area. Area of circle which is exterior, interior. So if it is asked exterior, then you will be getting this one. Then that also I will do. Now interior means unshaded portion, I should say. Unshaded portion I want. Now unshaded portion also if you want, then it will be also 2 times of the portion which is there in the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. Now how much it is to? It is area under the circle. Area under the circle will come first. From where to where? From this line. Listen this point carefully. From this line which is 0 till here. Circle minus. You will be getting this extra area, smaller portion. Now minus area under the parabola. So means this rule I should apply. Now I should tell you how to get this. Now this point. This point is nothing but solving this. Now 4x square plus 4y square will be equal to 9. 4x square I am just keeping as it is, plus the value of y here 4. The value of y will be nothing but x square by 4 will be equal to 9. This will be getting cancelled. cancel. Is it getting cancelled? That is the value of y. It will be y square is there. Y square is there. Okay. Now then you can find out that point. This point you should find out. Now x raised to power 4 is coming. Here 4 will get y square and 4 will be there. So 4x square plus it will be x raised to power 4 by 4 will be equal to 9. Will be equal to 9. Simplifying this, you will get the value of point of intersection. Now the value of x you are getting here, it is root 2. Okay. Now from area, now shaded area, it will be 2 times of area in the first quadrant. From 0 to root 2. 0 to root 2. Already we have talked about circle will come first. What is the equation of the circle? 9 minus 4x square by 4 minus parabola. Y of the parabola x square by 4. X square by 4. I think you are aware of this 4. You will be taking out and common like this also. This is nothing but many times we have used this formula. It will be 1 by 4 outside. It is 2 times. Now if you simplify this, you will be getting this answer. Now question, if the exterior of the this is portion is asking, we know the total area of the circle. So in that case, total area of the circle minus this. This is the method. Okay. Next question, area of the circle. This is area bounded by these two circles. This circle will have a radius 2. So first I will draw that circle. This will have a radius 2. That means if I will call this is 0, it will be 2, 0. Okay. Now second is also circle whose radius will be also 2 and its center will be 2, 0. This is 2, 0. So another circle will pass through this way. Till where it will go? It will go up to 4. It will 4. Now the question is asking about area bounded between these two circles. Means this is the area which is asked about. This is the area bounded. Sometimes now this question may be asked. You have to take care that also. It is in the first quadrant. If it is asked, then this portion is asked. This portion is to be answered. Now area bounded between the two circles means this total. So can I say I will calculate the upper portion, this portion, and then double it. Okay. So that's specification first. Shaded area will be equal to 2 times area bounded by the circles in the first quadrant. That you must mention. Now if you look at this circle also, this is not this. If you see in this one, it is not totally bounded by only the same circle. So there is also division till here. This is a division. This division means you have to solve these two equations. Solve these two equations means x minus 2 the whole square plus y square will be equal to 4 and x square plus y square will be equal to 4. Compare y square of both and simplify. Let me know what is the value of x you are getting. Let me know what is the x value. Just I am waiting for that. So x is 1. So this is nothing but 1. Now the shaded area, total shaded area will be equal to 2 times the shaded area in the first quadrant. Now it is from 0 to 1. One circle will come plus again from 1 to 2 there is another circle will also come. Now I am asking you from 0 to 1 which equation is, see this is the equation of this circle, this is the equation of this circle. So which equation I should consider out of that? First one or second one? From 0 to 1, the second one, it is nothing but square root of 4, it will be x minus 2 the whole square. This is the circle. See, this is the part of this. And over here, it will be 4 minus x square. I think as usual you know the method. So I will be keeping 2 outside. It will be first integration, then minus, again 2 outside, and the second integration. This 2 is common for both. This is nothing but x by 2. Now it will be x minus 2 by 2 and question itself plus a square by 2 means 4 by 2. Sine inverse. Do you know mostly we are using this formula only, x by 2. Here it is 1 you can write, here it will be 0. For this one it will be x by 2. It will be 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 means 4 by 2. Over here sine inverse x by 2. Simplify and get the get the answer. Okay, so just I am leaving this question here, and you can just confirm me the answer. Are you getting the answer like this? Answer. Is it okay? This will be the answer. Okay. More questions I am going to discuss with you, and that will be nothing but end up application of derivative. Then you can just see many more questions are solved in the book. First is try to understand the solved question itself, and then you can just complete the assignment. This is nothing but the parabola. Y will be equal to x square plus 2. If x is equal to 0, it is open upward parabola. Okay. Now y will be equal to x. Y will be equal to x is the line. X will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 0 is nothing but y-axis. And just wait, one more information is required. X is equal to 3. This is one line. X is equal to 3 is also one more line. Y square will be equal to this is the portion which is asked about, bounded by this. Now this is 0. Shaded area will be equal to 0 से लेके 3 तक. Area under the parabola is more or area under the line is more? Parabola minus line dx. What is the parabola area? What is a parabola equation? It will be x square plus 2 minus over here x and dx. So it will be x cube by 3 plus 2x minus x square by 2. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 0. You just lower limit 0 means 0 only. 3 cube, 3. It will be 27 by 3 plus 6 minus 9 by 2. This if you simplify 9, you will be getting 15. 15, it will be 30. 30 minus 9 by 2. And if you further simplify, you will get your answer as 21 by 2. 21 by 2. Now the last question of application of a derivative. With this differentiation will gets over. This is a question. Sometimes now very rarely this type of question will be asked. But it is a concept of inequation will be there. Inequation. The second equation is known to you. It is a circle. I am just initiating the problem. Then you can complete the sum. This is a circle. What is the radius of the circle? Look at this. Yes, correct. It will be 3 by 2. So this point will be nothing but 3. Y square will be equal to 4ax. Y square will be equal to 4x. This is the parabola. Okay. Now try to understand what is the meaning of that. About the circle, if inequation, if you remember class 11th inequation, I can consider 0, 0. 0, 0 you are putting, then it will be satisfying the equation. Means answer will be inside somewhere like this, inside. Okay. Now y square will be equal to 4x is passing through the center of the circle. So I cannot take this point. 0 and 3 by 2. Here one of the point is there. Say 1. 1 I am trying to put. 1 means 1, 0. 1 and over 0. Do you agree? So it will be interior of this. So interior of the parabola. So what will be the total area which is asked in this particular question is nothing but this one. This total area will be nothing but 2 times total shaded area will be equal to 2 times area in the first quadrant. How to get the area in the first quadrant? You should know this point, because this point is dividing everything into 2 parts. This is 0 to till here, it is under the parabola, plus from this point to this point it will be under the circle. So now your task is to find out this. Which two equation you will be solving? 4x square plus 4y square will be equal to 9 and y square will be equal to 4x. Replace y square over here. So it will be 4x square plus 16x minus 9 will be equal to 0. Try to solve this question. Tell me what are the point of intersection. Split the middle term like this. It will be 4. I think you can take 2x common. It will be 2x plus 9. Over here minus 1 common. It will be 2x plus 9. You are getting x is equal to minus 9 by 2 and x is equal to half. Minus 9 by 2 is not possible. So this point is nothing but half. So your answer will be 2 times 0 to half. which curve will come? Look here, 0 to parabola. What is the y of the parabola? Root 4x. Plus or minus? Plus. Now half to 3 by 2. Which curve will be coming? Circle. What is the equation of the circle? Like this. What I should write? 9 minus 4x square by 4. Now you know how to integrate this. Integrate. I think this is the last question. So you just integrate, simplify, and make sure just pause the video here and get the answer like this. That will be the final answer. With this way, most of the part of the integral calculus gets over. Next time whenever we are meeting, then we will be talking about differential equation, which will be in combination of derivative and integration both. Thank you.